The graphic that you were just looking at is actually a model. A model, especially in science, is a tool that we use to help explain something that is often very complicated by making it easier to see and understand. Sometimes models can actually be physical objects that are used to represent the real-world object. Oftentimes, real-world objects are so large that we need to scale them down, and so most models are smaller versions of the actual objects. Sometimes the opposite is true, where the real-life object is so small we need a model to make it look bigger so we can actually see and understand what's going on. As shown earlier, models don't always have to be a physical object. Oftentimes, a drawing, graphic, or diagram is just as good as an actual physical model. For example, this physical model of DNA is somewhat tall and very expensive. Instead, we can use a diagram that looks very similar, and notice anything else that you can see in this diagram that wasn't on the physical model? So hopefully you can see why models are so important in science. Take this diagram for example. This is a model. Why might we need a model for something like this? Why might this model be so important? In the discussion board that follows below, share your thinking. Give 2 or 3 reasons why you think models are so important in science, or why you think they're so useful.